Jake, so glad to see you today.
Hey Jill, why are you so happy to see me? Last time, when I asked you out, you swung your umbrella at me, and made me drop my freshly bought donuts.
I'm sorry about that. It must have been that time of the month. You know, us women can be a bit crazy because of that.
Well, it makes sense, I guess. Okay, so what's the problem?
The problem is that my washing machine makes a grinding noise, and I don't know why. Can you help me out with determining what the problem is?
My first pick is that you have an unstable washer. You need to check that your washing machine is firmly on the floor at all four of its corners.
I checked that already, and I know about this. Maybe it's something else?
My second pick would be that a small clothing article got stuck in between the two wash tubs and entered the pump and drain line. This will definitely cause the washer to squeal and grind.
I might have to ask my boyfriend about this. I'm not really great at these things at all.
If that is also not the issue, then you need to look at the water valve, which may require adjusting. If the problem doesn't go away after adjusting them, you may need to call a plumber.
Can you tell me something more?
Well, Leslie, it could be that you may have forgotten to remove all the packaging from your washing machine.
Really?
If your washer is manufactured after 1995, then some models may be packaged with a support rod, which you can find underneath the washer. Prior to installing the machine, you need to remove that.
Wow, I didn't know about that. You've been really helpful, so helpful that I may in fact want to ask you out tonight.
Well, it's a yes from me, but I'll need you to buy me the donuts I dropped last time.
Haha, deal.